me begina, and I correctly divide the word of truth. Me say your absolute capacity will come out. The best will come out of you. Ube said there is something in you. Yes, Christo, yes, ye call heaven, ye call Jim. But say Christo, yes, at the end of this year, Tiasia, say ye no, ye want kedos. And I want him, sir. Obiya wonye mijina hey as 40 something years. I don't think that mehwaka ete say obiya wedi 80 years. Obiya wedi 80 years no and now okoye check up we okoye test we send pano ne waka doso. Mijina hey mingoye test biya if I feel like mijina hey no no minyan me di eban me dia very soon me unu say me okwasia. I'm telling you, me unu say very soon na Daniel said that and then run me my friend free school by and said you omo ye na my 3 weeks be that and then the last day one more ya that could have been averted easily. Eti ebetene nyame fie ni ebie ya ni wo nyame asem fa asem no na ade na. Now let me ask you a question. You cannot love anybody when you have not encountered them. When you have not experienced them. I need to encounter you. Before I can love you, I need to encounter you. But how can I encounter you except I know you? I'm dating somebody. We are courting. I want to know you first before we marry. We in the pursuing a dear now pe, a dear now wompe. Sabeya me ware wa menye dear wompe. Na me timia de open na when ibejeme ho. Yesu so esa. Enipa bebre wonyame fia Yesu ne kura omunnim no. Kristo no aye kanasam omunnim no. Ni maame na na eba alabasa na ne maame afiri mu no abehye ne maame anan. O ewo ho. Ye kuro mu asore ye timi se bia me papa afiri mu a asore ne timi bisasa hwan na mo de behye mo papa eya nchira eya nhihye ye wa asore mu.